Have you ever wondered how blockchain technology can enforce agreements automatically? Let's break down exactly what a smart contract is. At its core, a smart contract is just computer code. It lives on a blockchain and executes actions when specific conditions are met. Because the code is transparent and stored on a distributed ledger, you do not need to trust a third party to enforce the terms. The process is simple. You set the rules, the system waits for the trigger, and the contract performs the action without human intervention. While traditional contracts rely on legal systems and paper, smart contracts rely on math and blockchain networks to ensure compliance. This efficiency is why many financial applications, like lending or insurance, are exploring smart contracts to speed up their back-end processes. Remember that since the code is final, there is no undo button. Auditing the code before using a contract is a critical step. Smart contracts are a foundational piece of modern finance. Be sure to do your own research. Like and subscribe for more basics.